Hello, it's your boy Chambers from Team Skunk Tao with another Star Wars Galaxy of Heroes video, and today we're gonna participate in the other event, and the name of the event is Place of Power Assault Battles. The required units are First Order and Sith. Mine are not developed that good, so I'm not sure that I'm going to successfully finish this event, but let's try it. You say why I'm going to use one of the new characters, Darth Nihilus, because I can one-shot someone with him. Let's just try AoE. Okay. Let's stun all of them, if it's possible. Yep, that happened. Okay. Let's finish all of them. The first round is easy. Now the second round is a little bit harder because the Ela counter-attack. Let's crush all of them. Who I want to focus? Let's just give him a little bit power here. Let's speed them all up. They have all negative stats effect, which means, yep, I got like maybe 5 or 4, I didn't notice, but 5 reduction cooldown of his special ability, which starts with 8 turn cooldown. You said it's a lot, I said it's not, because with this ability you can instantly defeat someone, which is fucking amazing. I want to just click on the Jedi Knight, but didn't happen because he's stealth. Jedi Knight Guardian. Okay, for now it's a little bit better than my previous attempt. Okay, the second phase. The part that is extremely hard for sure is the final encounter, because Yoda is extremely fast and it's hard to me because my characters are not developed. If there were like gears 9 or 10, 4 of them, for sure you can do this. Okay, this is one of the hardest part because they have the counter of 5s and the cleans from the Rex, and of course Jedi Knight Anakin always is hard to beat. I'm just going to give, you see, you sacrifice 3% of active units HP to gain bonus defense or speed and health steal for 2 turns. Also gain defense down for 2 turns. I don't know that I want to do that, but I'm going to do it anyway. Let's try to ability block Anakin. That was good. Okay, speed down, not 3 of them, maybe the most important 3. I'm going to instantly defeat someone, but I don't know who for now. Let's try to stun all of them if it's possible. That didn't happen. Okay, let's just instantly defeat 5s and focus Anakin. Okay, we need speed. Now let's just finish one by one these preposterous jokes. Nice. I think Darth Maul is going to be one of my finest weapon after I develop him. Okay, ability block Amagandi didn't happen. I'm going to use it maybe next turn because I need more red dots on their heads. So you see, deal special damage to all enemies with a 50% chance, double against the both enemies, which means 100% chance. 50-50 and 2-100. Let's try to steal. Okay, 3 or 4, which is good. her and just double damage all of them. Nice, we get the kill. Shock on him. Let's finish Jedi Knight Guardian. You see, my ability is almost ready for Darth Nihilus to annihilate someone. I need to save his health if it's possible for the final round. Kit Fisto is here on the 6th round, so let's just focus on the Guardians. Can I insta-kill him? Nope, that didn't happen. So let's try to slow them down. That happened. Let's try to stun all of them. Okay. Now let's start to kill all of these Jedi Temple Guardians. That didn't happen. I can instantly defeat now Kit Fisto, but I will try to save this ability for the final part. If I am able to kill Yoda with this, or no, don't hurt him, please. Shock, nope. Okay, he's dead. The 7th is not that tricky. Just red on their heads. I'm going to give them turn meter. Okay, Pocon is dead, or almost dead. Oh, she's going to heal. Okay, for each income reduce, okay, but does this do damage? I don't know. I can try it. Nope. Let's try to shock Barry Sophie and finish her here. Nice. The other two are just invisible and I cannot attack them. I'm saving all of my abilities for the final round. Okay, now let's start to kill them. Nice. And Darth Maul doing work here. Final encounter. And if I can defeat some of them, let's just try to daze all of them. 4 of them are dazed, they cannot get turn meter. Now I can instantly defeat General Kenobi, and I'm going to do that for sure. Okay, let's try to ability block Yoda. That happened. I'm surprised. Let's try to stun all of them. No stuns here. Still, I need to kill Yoda. Nice. Can we put a shot on him? Nope. Don't kill my Vader, please. He has a foresight. He doesn't have any more foresight. We need that done. Oh my god. This is going worse and worse. Okay, let's try to shock. Nope. Can we kill this bastard? No. Okay, now he is dead. I think. Oh, nice dodge. Let's just do this and focus it cut. They're all his, but I don't care. Deflect all of them. Okay, now let's try to stun them. Nice. This guaranteed me a win. Maybe, I think. I don't know. We will see. Nice deflect. This is the only reason I get my Darth Maul to be a leader. That's hard. Okay. Kill him, please. No. If my Darth Midas survive, I'm going to take this for sure. Can you shock him? Nope, he resists again. One more turn for Darth Midas, and we are there. Okay, let's try to slow him. Nice, finally. No, don't kill him. Let's try to stun Yoda, which is very hard, but we did it. And I don't believe it, boys and girls. Oh no, after this, yes, we just ended phase 1 or tier 1, which is pretty incredible for me. And you can see a very good reward, like 8 shards for the Plo Koons. I didn't use I'm sorry, I didn't use his ship because I don't have him. Of course, for shard shop, some shards, my Mace Windu is almost 5 stars. I needed these shards for sure, these two, and this is going to go to the shard shop. If you stick around a little bit, I'm going to try to do the second part, which is very hard for sure. I'm going to not succeed, but just to see how hard it is. And if you have developed First Order or Sith, this is not going to be a problem for you. Yeah, they're a lot faster. Okay, let's just stun them. We successfully stunned them. Now I need to start killing. Nice. Nice. No dodge here, and you see, Darth Maul is a beast versus Jedis. Okay, AoE with him. Let's just try to slow them down. Okay, I'm going to kill him. And ability walk Ewa. Nice. That happened. Let's try to suck cooldowns. Can you kill him? Nope. Okay, let's try to put shock on her head. Nice. Finish Jedi Knight. And then finish the Ewa. This dodge is great. Okay, Ewa is done. Maybe we can do it. I don't know. Crush all of them. Now let's start killing them. Just like that. We are done with the phase 4. The encounter number 4. Yikes. They got a lot of days on their heads. Okay, don't want his turn meter to go crazy. Can we kill? Nice. And now ability block Rex. Nice. Oh, I did mistake there. I needed to ability block. No problem, no problem. It's not a problem. Can do it. No, no heal, please. Oh, okay. Oh, my Darth Nihilus is dead, which means for sure I'm not going to complete it. But all of them are stunned, which is good. Can we kill him? Nope. Let's try to slow them down. Rex is dead. Anakin is almost dead. Now he's dead for sure. Refresh some cooldowns. And we are on stage 5 from 8. Let's obliterate all of them. That didn't happen. Crash. Nice. Only one time he's going to hit, I think. Okay, this is not bad at all. Now let's start killing them. And he is almost dead. Okay, he's dead. For sure. Tier 6. We are coming. Critical hit for sure. Try to one-shot one of these guys. That didn't happen. Now try to stun all of them. Okay, that happens. Let's kill one by one all of them. And refreshing my second ability. Okay, that didn't hurt a bit. But still. Okay, we're on the 7 encounter. I didn't believe that I'm going to be here even. Daze on them all. Yep, 3 of them got dazed. Can we ability block? Nice. Now let's kill Varys. Oh, she survived. That was unfortunate. Can we kill at least him? Okay, he's dead. Oh, yeah, they got a little bit health, but not enough for my beast, Darth Maul. And we are in the final encounter, boys and girls. I didn't believe it I'm going to get to here, but it's true. And now this is the hard part. Because fucking Grandmaster Yoda is incredibly fast. Can we stun all of them? Please stun. Okay. No critical hits. They all got critical hit immunity. But I need to speed. No. This is messy. This is messy for sure. I cannot attack anyone. If I had Dark Knights here, for sure was able to win. Nice, he's dead. Can we ability block him? At least. Nice, okay. No. Stop hitting my best character for this event, Yoda. Okay, Qui-Gon Jinn is dead. Oh, they all got foresight. Oh. And I'm going to clean it. No. Just like I said, I'm not going to finish this. Sorry, boys and girls, for the long video. If you want to watch it to the middle, because I just finished it, I'm not going to be mad. Yeah, defeat. These notifications. I play Force Arena 2. Is I don't know which is the best of the two games, but I love both of them. Okay, I'm very sorry that I'm wasting your time. If you can do it, just do it and post me a pic that you finished this tier, and of course the bonus tier, which is pretty much impossible for me. Okay, if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and you know it. Until next time, Chambers out.